Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Charlene Chen. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of BitPesa, which is one of the few Bitcoin companies in the continent of Africa. We're an African digital currency exchange. Thanks. So there's a few issues in Africa. I'm not going to talk about all of them, but I'm going to speak about the exorbitant cost of remittances into the continent, which I've been happy to see be mentioned earlier in the conference. The African market is the most distorted in the world. The average cost to send money to Africa is about 12%. This is 3 times more than the cost to send money to Southeast Asia or South America. There's been a staggering $1.8 billion lost in fees paid each year. This is mostly due to a monopoly and outdated financial institutional structure, leaving people who want to send money to Africa with little options other than bank transfers and Western Union. So really, expensive money transfer services are reducing the net inflow into the region. Luckily, BitPesa provides a solution. You can now move money into Africa using digital currency. So BitPesa is leveraging Bitcoin for efficiency. We're digital currency agnostic, but we're currently allowing anyone from anywhere in the world, except the US, to send Bitcoin on our online platform, and we convert it into local African currency. We have no service fee, an exchange margin of 3%, and payment confirmation within minutes. We currently push out to any mobile money wallet in Kenya. We're also expanding our services into value-added services for merchant processing, as well as NGO donations. So essentially, we're a digital Forex broker for Africa. Unlike exchanges such as Coinbase and Bitstamp, which work very well in banked markets, we're going the last mile. So we accept Bitcoin on our online platform and push out to any mobile money wallet. In the future, we're also going to leverage cash networks as well as bank accounts to receive money. Take a look at this table. It shows just an example of the Kenyan market and the exorbitant transfer fees that are paid to send money into Kenya. If you look at money sent from here in the UK, you're looking at about 6%. 5% fee is advertised, but there's a 1% Forex charge. You look at sending money from the US, and you're looking at 10%. What we're offering is a 3% exchange margin all in. Let's not even talk about PayPal to Equity Bank, which is one of the major banks in Kenya, or even bank transfer fees, such as Citibank. So even though there isn't currently digital currency regulation in Kenya, just to be safe and secure, we are holding ourselves to the same compliance regulations as in the EU. So we do not solicit any US clients. We've integrated leading ID verification software, and we work alongside Kenyan regulators, like central bank. So here are screenshots from our site. Send money to Kenya cheaper and faster. With BitPesa, it's easy. So you simply enter the amount in pounds that you wish to send and click Get Started. Then, if you're a new user, we do some basic KYC, which includes your email address, a physical address, date of birth. If you're a second-time user, we simply ask you to log in with your email address and password. So then you select a recipient. So we're basically just asking for a name, an email address, which is optional to send a confirmation message, as well as the mobile money number. Or if you've already sent to the person before, you can select them from your address book. Then next, you ask you to send us BTC. So we put up a QR code, which you use to send money from your Bitcoin wallet. Or if you have a Coinbase account, it directly integrates through the API. Within seconds, we put up a confirmation that we've received your Bitcoin, and then within minutes, we've pushed out Kenyan shillings to any mobile money wallet. Primarily, this is M-Pesa. So if you sent to someone before, you can resend them money easily, and also find people in your address book. So who is BitPesa? We're a committed local team with global experience. We're currently a full-time team of 4. We have extensive experience in the financial sector from Credit Suisse, JP Morgan, as well as the consulting sector, Deloitte, and our CTO is from Google. Hopefully some of you guys have met my colleague Amy, who's here, myself. Elizabeth's currently in the US fundraising, and then Bob is soon moving to Dar es Salaam. So in addition to being proud of our strong team, we're also very proud of our strong backing of investors, which include Joe Macheru, who's the head of Google East Africa, Duncan Goldie Scott, a serial entrepreneur, Barry Silbert from Second Market, and our newest investor is Jalak Jobanputra from Future Perfect Ventures. We're really excited to announce that we're gaining traction very quickly. We launched at the end of May. We have dual incorporation in Kenya and the Cayman Islands. As I mentioned, we have a permanent team across Nairobi and London. We went live after 7 months, have a growing customer base, and we're positioned very well to spread across East Africa as well as the entire continent of sub-Saharan Africa. So thank you so much. If you're interested in learning more about BitPesa, feel free to approach myself or my colleague Amy. And this is also our Twitter. Follow us at @BitPesa. And our website is www.bitpesa.co. Thank you.